In this short video, I will tell you that how you can easily change download quality for YouTube videos in 2024 and onwards with the latest app update of YouTube. That's quite simple and interesting, so let's get started without wasting any time. But before starting the video, make sure that you watch the video till end so you don't make any mistake. Alright, so first of all, you will have to open up YouTube application and then you will have to click on your profile on the bottom right. Now once you are on this page, you will have to click on the gear icon on the top right corner, and then you will have to click on offline just above upload on the bottom. Once you are on this page, you will find an option of download quality. You will simply have to click on it, and then you can select any desired download quality. For example, I will select full HD 1080p, and you can also select ask each time, and it will ask you to select the download quality for every video that you will download. So that's how you can easily change download quality for YouTube videos in 2024. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section.